Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So today's video is again a brain development activity. This activity belongs to the age group of 3 to 4 years. But before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications. Moreover, this video is in both languages, Hindi and English. If you want to watch in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. आप उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और पूरी वीडियो जो है वो आप हिंदी में देख पाएंगे. Right, so now let's get started with our activity. As you could see, I am using some certain shapes here, right? These are the basic shapes like square, then triangle, circle and a rectangle, and I have given a particular color to each of the shape, right? So what child is supposed to do in this, along with this you need some of the cutouts as well, right? These cutouts are of the same shape which I have mentioned on the master sheet, right? So I'm going to place it here one by one and then we will start our activity. So now child would take these shapes and would attach here. As you could see here, I'm using the velcro dots, right, so that child can easily handle these shapes and can do the worksheet easily without spilling or skipping any shape or anything, right? So here, as you could see, at the back of each shape cutout, I have again attached a velcro. So here, as you could see, it's a rectangle. So what child is supposed to do, child would find a rectangle which is here and would attach this shape under this orange rectangle, right? Likewise, child would, for example, if he takes a triangle which is of blue color, right? So child would find a triangle and would place it under the triangle which is of blue color, right? Again, it's a square, green square, so child would place it here, right? So this is a very nice activity, right? And for example, it's a circle. So as I told you that there is a velcro attached to it, so child can easily do this activity without any problem, right? And this kind of activity really helps the child for the brain development, right? So likewise, child would complete all of his activity here, right? And this activity really works in case of color sorting as well as in shape sorting, right? So this works in both ways. You can give this activity to any age group. Once the child have a good knowledge about the shapes, you can give this activity to that child, right? And here, as you could see, it's a Dynokids worksheet, right? So in case if you do not have time to make the worksheet, we have the printables available with us. Just let me know in the comment section and I'll provide you the link from where you can download this worksheet. And you can easily do this worksheet with your child, right? If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about this activity, right? Thank you so much for watching.